Personal finance tips and budgeting strategies. Effective personal finance management is essential for financial stability and success. By adopting smart budgeting strategies and making wise financial decisions, individuals can take control of their money and work towards achieving their financial goals. In this guide, we will explore key personal finance tips to help you navigate the path to financial well-being. 1. Assess your finances. Start by evaluating your financial situation, including income, expenses, debts, and assets. Understanding where you stand financially will serve as a basis for creating a budget and setting achievable goals. 2. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Categorize your spending into essential and discretionary items to prioritize your needs while allowing room for enjoyable activities. 3. Embrace the 50-30-20 rule. Follow this popular budgeting strategy by allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. 4. Set financial goals. Establish clear financial objectives, such as building an emergency fund, paying off debts, or saving for a major purchase. 5. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account to prepare for unexpected financial challenges. 6. Reduce and eliminate debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and consider debt consolidation or negotiation to ease the burden. 7. Maximize retirement contributions. Take advantage of retirement savings accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs to secure your financial future. 8. Automate savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to consistently build wealth. 9. Track your expenses. Use budgeting tools to monitor your spending habits regularly and identify areas for improvement. 10. Avoid impulse buying. Think carefully before making significant purchases to avoid unnecessary expenses. To sum up, adopting these personal finance tips and budgeting strategies empowers you to manage your finances and move towards a financially secure future. By evaluating your financial situation, establishing a budget, defining clear objectives, and making informed decisions, you can lay the foundation for financial prosperity and well-being.